Yo, what's up guys, I'm back with another video. Today, we try to solve a Rubik's Cube. I have a Rubik's Cube waiting for that to be all scrambled up. And let's see. And most of you guys actually don't know who's on my channel that I actually solve Rubik's Cube. So, unfortunately I can't show a video right now. But, okay, as soon as I type this, I will start. Oh, let's go! Oh, I beat my record. My record was 8.11. Let's go! Oh, let's go! Wait! Oh, if I could do 781, I could definitely do 850 at least, 750 at least. Oh, the hack. Oh, again, bruh. Oh my days. Again. That's crazy. Oh shit. Oh, let me just restart. Oh, that hack is everything mixed up. Oh crap. I keep saying. Yeah, this is hard to yeah, they tell me to like scramble up your and stuff. And then I would figure out the way by reading it. But I don't really want to do that. So oh my days. I keep on. Oh, let's go! Let's go! Well, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye! See you guys, bye!